If you are on a tourist visa and you want to achieve residency, do you have to rent a BTB approved accommodation? If so, how do you find out if the accommodation is BTB approved? Let me cut that into pieces. First, if you're here on a tourist visa, so here we call it a visitor's permit, but Janice and Lars, you're right, it is effectively a tourist visa. That visitor's permit, depending on your nationality, we're talking about an American citizen, a Canadian citizen, those two nationalities and many others, it's automatically granted upon arrival. So effectively that visitor's permit or tourist visa, that's the stamp you get in your passport when you arrive at Philip Goldson International Airport. It grants you 30 days.
Yep.
But what happens if that 30 days or you're getting nearer to that 30 days?
Do not go past your 30 days.
Absolutely not. You don't want to get deported. We have laws around here.
Yes.
Sure.
You will have to take your visa and your passport, the stamp that's in your passport, to the closest customs agent.
Immigration.
That's right. And you will have to renew your stamp in your passport. That can be renewed in perpetuity.
Yeah. Theoretically.
Every month. They will fill out a form, you go to the Treasury branch, you pay, you get a receipt, you take it back, and immigration will stamp your passport for another 30 days. If it lands on a weekend, please go on the Friday. You will lose a couple days on your stamp, but if you go on a Monday, you might be visiting Mexico to be out of Belize.
Very, very good points, and something very interesting. So the procedure, the renewal procedure that you outline there, that differs based on where you are in the country. So for example, here in Belize City, the advice was fantastic. Do not overstay, do not overstay. That would be a violation. It is an arrestable offense. You would be detained. You will go in front of a magistrate. If that happens on a Saturday, magistrate doesn't work on a Saturday or Sunday, you're going to be
Spend
sleeping.
a couple days.
That's right. And you will be deported. So it's very important, as you said, Evan, renew early rather than late. The procedure here in the city, you can actually go to the immigration department on day 29, what have you, and pay at their cashier. You mentioned the Treasury Department,
Yes.
Where you check in. That's not wrong. You're absolutely correct, but it really differs. So there are some changes depending on where this happens around the country.
Want to find out more information about how you can start your life here in beautiful Belize? Then send us an email at info@lawbelize.bc.